my Go XLR glitch, my voice changer glitches. No, it's just my Go XLR glitches sometimes when I use the heart tune function, and it'll like bump my voice up to like chipmunk version. Did you hear it? Sometimes it'll do it. I don't know why, but yeah, let's see if it'll do it again. Ba 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 ba. Did you hear that? I didn't change my voice. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Now it's not doing it. Ba 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 ba. Oh, that's probably because it's auto-tune. I just realized. I don't think it's... Well, it is bugged. It's definitely bugged. But it is also auto-tune, so it's probably just trying to find my closest thingy. Anyway. I probably sound crazy. BaBaBaBaBa!